What Hapdeng jingshah kynthoh baka Indian National Congress kamdan hawashu bakenthop na do na Delhi kinoi lam ka Congress apok ka jilla Meghalaya kila penpau da ka jinkerman bos kem baka parti ha ka election ban jet ya kinomik man sang ing dor bar thau ain ka jilla kan yo ban bat biang yau lakam ban synshar ka jilla Meghalaya ya kanila penpau da kinoi lam ka Congress bakenthop ya ka Bobita Sharma bot Matthew Andrew ki brig media coordinator jong ka All India Congress Committee habai kran bakilat pathai kubor
had a 28% vote share in the last elections. A few leaders shifting party doesn't mean that the workers have shifted from the party. And as Jairam Ramesh told during his press meeting, that when few others moved out, we gave opportunity to a lot more youngsters into the organization. And it is a commendable effort from the MPCC leadership to have put 60 candidates in all the 60 seats and also given opportunity for many youngsters, 47 of them below 45 years of age and 10 women candidates, that's constituting 17% of the total 60 seats. That's what exactly we have done. So, and we have put up, if at all you all remember, all parties were writing off Congress at the beginning of the campaign. Now Congress is the biggest campaigning party in the Meghalaya elections, barring apart the money inflow which is put by other parties. We are the ones who have sincerely campaigned in the ground. So that's the answer for you.
We are very happy that we have young professionals, educated people who are committed to society are our candidates. And I think this time the people of Meghalaya will see who they want to vote for.
Our expectation to win, and we are definitely of forming the government this time. And you will hear us on the 2nd when the results are coming.
We expect to form the government because the people of Meghalaya had already experienced Congress government. They know that we give good governance. That is why we expect a majority. We have also observed that elections in Meghalaya has always been very, very in a very festive spirit. The elections campaign are carried on, and we really appreciate it because this is unique to Meghalaya and some parts of Northeast India, even in Assam. But in other parts of India, we see during election campaigns there are violences, which is actually very unfortunate. And we want that we feel that the rest of India also should emulate Meghalaya in the spirit of campaign that they have shown to the world. Unfortunately, there were a few incidents in Kyrwoh Hills, which we would also like to condemn. But we hope and pray that this spirit of Meghalaya remains forever, and for this we really thank the people of Meghalaya for showing everybody how election campaign should be done. We hope that Meghalaya will always remain musical, will always remain peaceful, not only during the campaign but also after and forever. And the Congress party always has stood with Meghalaya, has always been with the people of Meghalaya, and Congress party feels that the people of Meghalaya are politically conscious and they will be very, very careful in casting their vote, think and cast their vote on 27th February to the Congress party, because the Congress party
Meghalaya will remain Meghalaya and not anything else, as aspired by other parties who wants to create some other thing of the states in a uniform standard. Our promise as Congress party to Meghalaya is the uniqueness and the ethnicity, tradition, culture of Meghalaya, which includes the Khasi, Jaintia as well as Kyrwoh, will be uniquely protected and respected. That's a promise, the first and best promise the Congress is making to Meghalaya. The second is about the stability which we have offered to the state all along when we were ruling the state. Never ever in the history of the Congress party's governance in Meghalaya, we have faced this kind of corruption allegations. We have not faced this kind of money deployed in the elections. So the other day I was in Maflang, in the constituency, and people were saying that no, we are being offered money. Is Congress party going to offer money? Our reply to that is that you take the money from wherever it is coming, because it's a corruption money which is coming back to you. But vote for the Congress party, because that's the party which has delivered everything for you. And we request every individual Meghalayan who has got a vote to exercise their franchise on this 27th day of February to elect a government and to elect a Congress government under the leadership of Bapala, who is leading the campaign as the BJP president, and all other youngsters, the 10 women candidates, the 47 other young candidates, to have a good governance in Meghalaya in the next 5 years.
The mismanagement of sports facilities in Meghalaya is costing the future of our youth dearly. They are lagging behind due to lack of proper training facilities. Is this the Meghalaya we want for our youth? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Meghalaya TMC kawan Rashaphi ya kamaikan. Anda ka TMC kan thau sarkar, Meghalaya TMC kan pinmi lailak teli ki kam hapo kini kisan sinem manwan. Barkum juru ban ajing rap pisa ka belong syajar dikasih benai. Kata khat arjar dikasih sinem ka barok ki samla ki bampat dan ni ka kam ka jam.
Hakane ka ap nyau terek urumphang. Jan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentil bat kersan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.